Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple step on how to grow back your fallen eyelashes or your scanty eyelashes. Okay, now this remedy is actually very simple and easy to prepare. Okay, so do not worry yourself because the ingredients are something that you are going to be you're going to find very quickly. So it's not something hidden. So let's get right into this video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and share this video. Alright guys, to grow and healthy thick eyelashes, we're going to be making use of honey. Now keep it conditioned, reduces breakage, which is often cause for slower hair growth. It is rich in antioxidant property which prevents damages, keeping your eyelashes healthy, and it strengthens the follicles on your eyelashes, making it really long and thick. And then also we're going to be making use of aloe vera. Aloe vera contains something called prostolic enzymes which repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leave your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itchy on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and it's also a great remedy to grow your eyelashes, which is going to make it really thick and long. And then also we're going to be making use of coconut oil. Now coconut oil stimulates hair growth, getting it deep into its follicles. Coconut oil helps in promoting the hair on the eyelashes. It fights against such problems as insect bites, and it also helps to increase the thickness and the longness of the hair, preventing it from pulling off, and it's also preventing it from getting brownish. And then also we're going to be making use of vitamin E oil. Is an antioxidant property that repair damaged hair follicles, alright, preventing tissue corrosions, and it also build and keep your eyelashes follicles really healthy. It promotes an healthy hair growth, and it acts as a deep moisturizer to your eyelashes, making it really long and healthy. So what we're going to do is we're going to be needing a bowl, and then we're going to be taking 1 teaspoon of honey into this bowl. Make sure that your honey is very organic, alright, since you're going to be using it for your eyebrow. Your honey has to be organic, alright. So 1 teaspoon is going to be enough because where you're going to be applying it, you actually do not need too much because there's not too much of hair there. And then you're going to be pressing in your 100% aloe vera gel. Equal amounts will be better, guys. Now you would have to give it a little stir and make sure that the honey and the aloe vera actually mix together really good. Alright, after it's mixed together and it appears like this, okay, now you would have to give about 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil, or if you're using the capsule, you have to use 2 capsules. That's about 5 drops of that. Now this is actually very important. And then also you're going to be using half teaspoon, just a half teaspoon of coconut oil is perfect, okay, just like that. And then you're going to mix all of these 4 powerful and very wonderful ingredients together, and there you go. You have to give it a good stir, give it a good mix it really well, And then you would have to apply this on your eyelashes and your eyebrow. So let's go do that. Now you can apply this every day for the period of 1 month, and the result is gonna be so amazing. This is the eyelashes stroke eyebrow remedy, guys. You would have to use this every day for the period of at most 1 month, okay, because it's actually natural. Okay, it is natural, yeah. So anyway, it's actually going to help so much. You will have to need a small brush like this so that it could just go, you know, and yeah. So you would have to take a little from it, you dab it, and then you clean a little, and then you take it close and apply it just like that. Make sure it touches the base of your eyes. You apply it like that, and then you have to apply it onto your eyebrow also. Alright, so when you're done applying it, I would have to apply this onto my, even if you fix your eyelashes just like I have here, you'd have to apply this onto your base. So look at that, look at what I'm doing. It keeps my eyelashes really strong and it keeps it healthy, not just for the artificial but of course for the natural one, for it not to break and then looking really short and sharp. So you see that? Alright, so after you've applied that, then you would have to use your hand to massage it just like that. Use your hand to massage it, okay? Massage it to the base of your eyes. And then make sure it doesn't get into your eyes, okay? But of course it's not going to damage or do any damage to your eyes, but make sure it doesn't go inside so that you would have the stamina to stand by massaging it. Now after you've massaged it, you would have to leave it for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, okay, or 5 minutes if you can. All right, and then you leave it there for it to you know, get into the base of your eyes. And after that you would have to wash it off, or you just get a rag, a clean one, okay, like this, and then you just dab it. You dab it just a little. Now remember, when you're dabbing it, there will be leftover there, okay? Now the ideal time to do this is at night, okay? You just dab it. You dab. Now the ideal time to do this is at night. I'm repeating that 2 times so you can take note of it, okay? And then when you dab it, you don't need to wash it off, okay? Now there will be a leftover. You're still going to be feeling it down there, okay? And for the period of 2 to 3 weeks, like, your eyelashes and your eyebrow is going to begin to get full. Now look at mine. Despite that, you know, my body has actually changed really much, drastically, but yet my eyebrow still stays because I actually apply this natural remedy. I don't really, you know, just leave it like that. I apply this natural remedy and it really works really good for me, and it's wonderful. So go try it out because I'm sure it's going to be very helpful for you. You would have to apply this for a couple of days, just like I told you in the video, and the result is going to be very visible. The result is going to be very massive. Okay, but you have to apply a little bit of patience, and this home remedy, because it is natural, is going to work so well on your eyelashes. It's going to, you know, grow it back. So I'll see you soon in my video. If you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And bye guys.